Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Some of the more common manual testing metrics that testers use include 1. Defects. The defects metric is relatively simple and refers to the number of errors or bugs that are present in the software package. 2. Defects per test hour. Defects per test hour take the defects metric and add some more detail, dividing the number of defects by the number of hours testers spend on the software. 3. Pass test case percentage. Some test cases run with a simple pass or fail basis, and this metric provides a percentage of the test cases that pass. The higher the pass test case percentage, the better the application is performing. When a possible attempt to use the pass test case percentage on a feature-by-feature basis rather than when examining the entire app. This provides more granular information on what works and what doesn't, helping developers to make changes wherever they are necessary rather than completing a further investigation to see exactly where the issue is. The sooner you find the cause of a problem, the better. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.